Hello friends, it is Friday. It's about noonish. It is cold out. It's like 25, I think. Can you see it? Anyways, the sun is shining though, so I will come outside and I will get that sunshine in my face because it feels good, and because I don't want to be all vitamin D deficient and depressed and stuff. So anyways, I have work to do. I have secret things in the making, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Life is good. I'm happy. I'm enjoying my winter. It's cozy in my house. I'm watching every holiday movie I've never seen, and yeah. Catch you on the flippy. Bye-bye. Hello, friends. It is Monday. We are running some errands. It's about 4 p.m. The sun will be going down soon. I got a lot of work done today, and I'm currently working on a secret Christmas present. Pretty much everything else is going out today. If I could afford it, I sent you something. If not, you got a card, and the holidays are, about giving and loving and friendship and Anyways, life is good. We're gonna attempt to make veggie meatloaf tonight, because why not? And yeah, we just started watching the second season of Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. So good. Watch it if you haven't. I'm gonna go to the post office. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's Sunday. We just ran a bunch of errands. I'm locked out of the car. We just ran a bunch of errands. This guy is being real funny. Can you stop doing that? So, for some reason, when I'm like calm, he's so annoying. What is this? Seriously.
Glitter all over me.
Okay. Did you have a nice time out? We went to Portillo's.
It was the best experience of my life.
I'm gonna put on my seatbelt now. Goodbye. Come on, cough us out. Friends, it's Wednesday night. We're having a mall date. A tropical mall date. We came here to get steps, and I don't want to say discovered, but the mall is the most depressing place in the world, right? Okay. Oh, let me show you this tree, guys. It's so beautiful. With the beautiful tree. Where'd he go? Spooky.